So here, we have added something really neat, color coding for family trees, to make family trees easier to use and more beautiful as a bonus. So what is color coding? Color coding is an optional feature, of course free. You can use it or not. Most people actually love it and use it, but you can always turn it off or turn it on. And it will colorize the cards on your tree in a different color for each one of your ancestral branches. So your father's father will have one color in light blue, and then father's mother in green, and so on with your mother's father and mother's mother's part. And your descendants, direct ones, will be in purple. Turns out there is an industry standard for these colors, so we use them. And since you might forget, we added a legend so that you can quickly summon the legend from the family tree anytime you need a bit of assistance, but quickly it's going to be etched in your brain, and you're going to dream about it like Tetris, bricks falling down. So this is what the tree looks like. On the left side, family view, and on the right side, pedigree view. Because I knew that some people may like it in one of the views and not the other, they are controlled separately. So you can have the pedigree view always do the color and the family view not. Or both will be in color or both will not use them. So two different controls. We have a third view called fan view, and that has the color coding from the start. But we got the colors wrong, so we fixed it now. We got the colors wrong thanks to a group of people called MyHeritage Friends, and we sometimes give them access to features in beta in advance. And so we got the feedback from that group that we should follow the standard colors. The functionality to add color coding to trees comes with a few more things. A useful indication of blood relationships. So you're looking at the tree, you're looking at someone, and it quickly tells you with an original icon of two blood droplets if this is a blood relatives of yours or not. Now, all these features, the color coding, the indication of blood relationships, have been added also in other people's trees. So you're looking at someone else's tree, it's color coded. You have a smart match, a match with another tree. You go in to look at the tree, again it's going to be, the nodes are going to be colored according to the relationship to the tree owner. And when you look on the search engine for historical records on MyHeritage, you find a tree profile, you go in, you look at the tree, again it's going to be colored according to the relationship to the tree owner. So once you get in touch with the tree owner, you know what to ask and what part of the tree you're talking about in relation to that user. So all these are very useful features in your own tree and in any other tree on MyHeritage. Questions after? Okay, sorry. Now, we have a very nice relationship diagram that you can click any relationship and see how you're related to that person. Now it works in other trees. So all these are like a package of nice features that are labeled color coding, but there's actually more in here. It's free. It makes your tree easier to navigate and more beautiful. Optional. You can have it in one of the views and not the other. It's for your trees of smart matches, DNA matches, tree results, blood relative indication, and just something useful. And we will keep adding useful features for family